1. Power down the monitor. Make sure that the monitor is unplugged, disconnected from the computer. This will help prevent any static buildup. 2. Dust with a dry cloth. Use a microfiber or other soft cloth to dust the screen gently. Do not pick at anything or try to scrub away debris. Simply run the cloth back and forth across the screen to pick up the dust. Don't use paper towels, toilet paper, or facial tissue, as these are usually rough and could damage the screen. 3. Make a cleaning solution. You can purchase specialized cleaning solutions, but you can quickly and cheaply make one at home by mixing distilled water and white vinegar in a 50-50 solution. Dab or spray this onto your cloth, and then gently run the cloth across the screen. Never spray cleaning solution directly onto the screen, as this could seep inside and damage the components. Avoid cleaning solutions with ammonia, like Windex, or ethyl alcohol.